Welcome back to VXN Cars. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming electric SUVs in the industry, the Hyundai Ioniq 9. If you're curious about what Hyundai's next flagship EV might offer, this script will walk you through everything: design, performance, tech, practicality, road behavior, and why this SUV is attracting so much hype. Imagine the video opens with a slow cinematic shot of the Ioniq 9 rolling through a modern cityscape at sunset. The camera glides over the massive front fascia, highlighting the pixel-inspired LED signature that has become Hyundai's EV identity. As the scene transitions, you get a wide-angle pan showing the vehicle's size. This isn't just another crossover. It's a full-size family EV built to compete against luxury giants. Cut to a close-up of the wheels. Large aerodynamic alloys, clean lines, and squared-off shoulders give the Ioniq 9 a commanding presence. Even from the rear, the pixel-led bar stretches cleanly across, giving it a futuristic spaceship-like appearance. From every angle, the design emphasizes minimalism, symmetry, and confidence, the kind of look that tells you Hyundai is pushing the limits of mainstream electric vehicles. Now the shot moves inside. The doors open, and the camera glides into the cabin. Immediately, you're hit with the openness: a flat floor, soft ambient lighting, and a lounge-like interior that feels more living room than SUV. You see the panoramic digital cockpit, dual screens seamlessly connected, and a steering wheel designed with a squared, minimalist shape. Materials are eco-friendly, soft touch, and premium. Fitting for a modern flagship EV, the camera swings to the second and third rows, showing massive leg space, power folding seats, USB-C ports everywhere, and luxurious reclining options, a true road trip machine. The narrator now breaks into performance. The Ioniq 9 is expected to ride on Hyundai's latest e-GMP platform, meaning ultra-fast charging, long-range capability, and high efficiency. Imagine acceleration that feels instant. Dual-motor all-wheel drive delivering impressive horsepower while maintaining smoothness. Battery options are expected to give you well over 500 km to possibly 600 kilometers of range, depending on configuration. The low center of gravity from the battery pack keeps the SUV stable even during high-speed lane changes or sharp corners. Silent cabin, zero vibrations, just a smooth, luxurious EV driving experience. The camera cuts to charging scenes. Plugging into an ultra-fast DC charger shows the Ioniq 9 jumping from around 10% to more than 80% in minutes, thanks to its 800 volts architecture. You also see vehicle to-load capabilities, powering a campsite setup, lights, and even another device. Perfect for travel lovers, families, and outdoor explorers. Then we shift to tech. The video shows the augmented reality head-up display projecting navigation directly onto the road, advanced driver assist systems, keeping the vehicle centered and aware, and an AI-powered infotainment system responding naturally to voice commands. From remote parking assist to auto-lane change, the Ioniq 9 is loaded with features that make driving easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Finally, the camera takes one slow cinematic lap around the car as the narrator explains its real appeal. This SUV blends futuristic design, long-range performance, spacious comfort, and cutting-edge technology in a way that makes it feel like the next evolution in family EV. Not just an upgrade, a jump forward. Whether you're into tech, looks, practicality, or performance, the Ioniq 9 aims to deliver something for everyone. The video ends with the Ioniq 9 driving off into a futuristic tunnel glowing with pixel LEDs. While the narrator wraps up, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the upcoming Hyundai Ioniq 9, make sure you like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to VXN Cars for more cinematic reviews, breakdowns, and automotive content coming your way.